This bike burns 1 to 2 liters of engine oil every 1,000 kilometers. There are only a few causes for oil burning. First is a valve stem seal issue. Second is a piston ring issue. Third is scoring on the cylinder wall. Fourth is a change in piston dimensions, which causes this bike to burn oil. Besides all that, the rider said, "I'm not going to sell it. No matter how much it costs, I will restore this bike to its absolute best condition." I said, "Okay then, let's get ready to start the mechanical work." Man, I've gotta hand it to them, this was tough. The long-neglected rear axle was completely stuck and couldn't be removed. We had to call in a roadside assistance mechanic. With an impact wrench, it came right off in less than 3 seconds. Through our borescope inspection, we discovered that the valve stems, valve seats, and parts of the piston all showed varying degrees of oil buildup. Based on this, we determined the issue with this bike stems from aging valve stem seals. We also suspected it might be a piston ring issue. To carry out further inspection, we would need to completely tear down this engine to find the problem, but according to my judgment, the aforementioned issue is still located at the valve stem seals. If we tear down this engine, many parts will still need to be replaced, even if they are fine, because they are single-use items. After discussing the plan with the owner this time, the owner agreed with our repair solution.
nah.
Guys, while we were replacing the valve stem seals on this Diavel, we also discovered some other issues with this bike, namely, its timing belt is showing signs of aging. As for the timing belt, this bike uses a belt-driven system, not the usual chain-driven type we see. Therefore, the maintenance cycle for the belt is much shorter. So how do we measure whether this belt is tight or loose? At this point, we need a specialized tool called a tension gauge. Use this belt tension gauge to measure the belt. As for its values, there are two standard readings. Measurements need to be taken from here and here. The standard value is 110 Hz, with a tolerance of plus or minus 5 Hz. Our next task is to reassemble this engine. we removed the clutch cover and found that this bike had previously been upgraded with a clear clutch cover kit. The black and red parts in the video are the upgraded components. Upon inspection, we found wear and tear on the previously modified clutch cover, which caused incomplete clutch disengagement. What's wrong with the bike now? The valves are noisy, and then the clutch is slipping. Clutch slipping? Yes, this time, we replaced it with an OEM clutch pressure plate, solving the clutch slipping issue the owner mentioned at the beginning. Next, we measured the thickness of the clutch plates and found no issues. Alright guys, this trouble-ridden Diavel 1200S can now be considered fully restored.